Chapter 2 MS Excel 2016 Working with Charts. Magic Carpet. Chart and its components. Commonly used chart types. Creating and formatting a chart. Using goal seek. Consolidating data. Grouping worksheets. To display data effectively in a pictorial form, a chart can be used. Comparisons can be drawn easily to measure growth or trends among values in a range. A very accurate information is provided by chart. Inserting a chart displays the data in a special window called the data sheet. Any change in data is automatically updated in a chart. Components of a chart. Chart area. This area contains the chart and all its elements. Category axis. This is the x-axis. It is the horizontal axis of a chart. Value axis. This is the y-axis. It is a vertical axis to plot the values. Data series. These are bars, elements or other elements that represent a data value. They are known as data series. Plot area. This area is within the chart area containing actual chart, data series, category, value axis. Chart title. This is the heading of the chart. It describes what the chart is about and what its contents are. Legend. This depicts different patterns or color series that is assigned to a data series. Grid lines. Horizontal or vertical lines on the plot area depending upon the chart type are known as grid lines. They make it easier to understand the values. Axis title. The headings given to x-axis and y-axis are known as axis titles. They help in understanding what is being depicted on the axis. Commonly used chart types. Column chart. This type of chart displays data in vertical bars. It is used to compare different items of data or show changes in data trends over a period of time. The values in this chart are depicted on the vertical axis, whereas the horizontal axis is used to depict categories. Bar chart.